It's been pretty close to 3 years since I've flown my drone. And this was down to 1 bar. This one was down to 1 bar. It's now charging on the 2nd bar. This one would not get past the 1st bar. But what I did was I plugged in this and this at the same time. And DJI tells you not to do that. The battery pack actually got really warm, and actually right now it's really warm. When I did that, when I put the extra load on it, this actually started to charge. It's now at 2 bars. I'm giving it a rest right now. That way I could charge one at a time like you're supposed to. I got them all up and charging again, I guess. This is actually at 2 bars. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Sorry about the contrast. This actually turns on now. It's been almost 3 years. You're not supposed to do what I just did. Leave it sit and not be in use, or at least not charge them once in a while. They will discharge and not charge again. It looks like I've woken them all up. This one's on 2 bars. I'm going to transfer it over to this one now. I'm going to slow charge them. That's getting a little bit of warmth. The charger's getting a lot of warmth. Like, this is warm, like really warm. Let me find my heat gun here. Pause the camera while I pull this out and I'll show you how hot that's getting. Got the heat gun out. It's not really a heat gun, it's a thermal sensor. 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me change that to Celsius. 40, 45, 46, 47 Celsius, 48 Celsius. That's hot. That's the charger pack. That's just charging the 1 battery right now. It's really struggling, so I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to charge these all in stages and see if I can fly over to Troy's house.